How to stabilize shaky footage in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your DaVinci Resolve project and import the shaky video clip you want to stabilize into the timeline. Select the clip by clicking on it. Next, go to the color page by clicking on the color tab at the bottom. Once you are there, locate the tracker panel on the middle side of the screen. Then, in the tracker panel, find and select the stabilizer tab. This is where all the magic happens to smooth out your shaky footage. Now, click on the Stabilize button to start the analysis. DaVinci Resolve will scan your clip frame by frame to detect movement and create a stabilization effect automatically. After the analysis is complete, play back the clip to see the difference. You will notice the shakiness is significantly reduced and the video looks much smoother. If the stabilization effect is too strong or causes unwanted cropping, you can adjust the strength slider to find the perfect balance between smoothness and frame composition. Also, you can change the zoom mode in the stabilizer settings to control how much DaVinci Resolve zooms in on the clip to hide the edges caused by movement. Finally, once you are satisfied with the stabilized footage, go back to the edit page and continue working on your project with much steadier clips. And that's it. Now you know how to stabilize shaky footage in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.